So I've just arrived into Zurich. Sorry to think about that for a minute. Yeah, just advised I arrived into Zurich for a changeover to flight on my way to Austria for the MotoGP. So I thought I'd have a quick look around the airport and show you what's here. So when you come into this main entry hall, a couple of little shops here. There is 4 different sets of gates, and I don't know where my next flight is going from until about 20 minutes, so plenty of time to tuck away a wee video for you. So we've got Rolex, Omega, if you're flush with cash, and then just coming down here, so there's a few jewellers here to start with. So quite an upmarket airport by the looks of things. And Boucherer, never heard of them. And then the first of these little bars. So I've got no idea what I'm going to find here, so we'll just film it as we go. Villa Antenori, so Italian restaurant there, then that's Caviar House and Prunier. And then across the other side we've got the Montclair shop, so Zegna. So all these designers along here. Pre-loved luxury, Bon Genie. I think that's how you say it anyway. That's how I'm saying it. And then Cartier. I mean, these are big shops. I wonder how much business they actually do. Every one designer. Bulgari, Chanel. And then the sea's not lit up there, so somebody's head will roll for that. Standards are slipping here in Zurich Airport. Then we get the big Lindt chocolate stall for all your chocolate. Then we see on the other side Dior coming soon. So we've got Tudor, which is probably watches, I would have thought. So they've got a hammock Formula 1 car set up here. I don't think it's a real one, it looks too plastic. And then we've got the big duty free shop there. A big old duty free shop. You see lots of people coming and going. That's a big duty free shop right enough, it goes all the way along there. Then we've got more Swiss chocolate. I'm not going to get into the duty free shop. Then we got a Swatch shop here as well. Our Passion, so they do watches as well. So Longines, Rado, Tissot, Balmain, Certina, Mido, all sorts of watches there. And electronic shop. And on the other side, the duty free shop still goes on. So we're just coming down to the bottom end now. So I'll just stick to the right here. So a long shop, so it looks like handbags. Swarovski, Crystal, Mammoth, so that's clothing, Swiss clothing for outdoor types. And then we've got a burger and beer station, just right at the end here. So I've still got 6 minutes before I'll know where my gate is, so let's just pop round the other side and we'll see what's what. So then we've got sun catchers, so that's sunglasses. God, it goes on forever. I didn't expect that. I thought that was the end. So it's a big old airport, right enough. Then there's a toy shop, marché, which is food, and again it's big. Victorinox, so that's sort of baggage, and the Swiss Army knives, pen knives. Then you've got the Switzerland tourist shop, the Spirit of Switzerland there. And then coming down the other side here, you've got a Burger King. Looks quite a fancy Burger King compared to the ones that we've seen already. And then we've got the big bookshop. Bretzel König. So that looks like a bakery, so croissants and pretzels and all that kind of stuff. And then I've got a pharmacy here actually, so any last minute medications you need, you can maybe get it there. And then Starbucks. Now there is a gate down to my left or another passageway, but I'm not going to go there. I don't have to walk the whole length of the airport twice because it's a big airport. And I'm just coming through here. This looks to be gate. So one thing I forgot to mention is when you arrive, you'll see these machines dotted around to get access to the Wi-Fi. So basically all you do is scan your boarding pass here, just on the machine, and you'll get a little voucher that will pop out, and then you use that voucher and that gives you 4 hours internet access. So keep that in mind if you're in the airport and you're looking for some free Wi-Fi. So we've got a little Hudson shop here, sells sort of travel bits and bobs, cold drinks, sandwiches, and then that airport goes all the way down there, and I'm not, because I don't know how far I need to go for my gate. I've got no idea. No doubt I'll get some word soon. Self-service e-passport control. So I'm just looking about here to see what I can see. But you can see that it goes down a fair distance. So I'm not going to go any further. Unless, of course, I have to go that way, then I'll film it on the way down. So there you go. That's a quick walk through Zurich Airport. I'm doing a flight transfer here, so I'm not going to get a chance to go outside at all. The weather's very pleasant today as well, so still in my shorts and my t-shirt. So I hope you enjoyed that wee wander through the airport. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego.